Did you buy the XRP dip? That's what we're going to be talking about right now in this video. Appreciate you guys coming back to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, awesome. Glad to have you back. And if you are new here to my channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. XRP is up 9% on the day. I want to share with you guys what's going on as we look into a expert trader buying $1 million in XRP. They bought the dip. We're going to talk about those numbers as well as what XRP is doing right now on the charts. So stick with me. Give me a couple minutes of your time. Full disclosure, if you're going to make fun of my voice, go for it. I've had the flu for the last 4 or 5 days, so I'm giving it 100% effort here. We're gonna crank out this video because I want to keep you guys up to date with what's going on with XRP right now. Okay, so the market has rebounded pretty nicely. It's not necessarily to where we were. But we did have a little bit of a discount here. If you were standing on the sidelines with capital, you were ready to buy the dip, and that's exactly what this XRP trader did. David Sachs talks live today at 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock maybe, around that time frame. I don't know exactly when it'll be. The crypto czar, so to speak, within Trump's cabinet or whatever, if there even is a position on cabinet for that. But it seemingly is going to be a bullish conversation, which if it's going to be buy the rumor, sell the news, buckle up. But with what we had going on with the tariffs, and that is not going to stop, guys. Trump is going to be volatile. He's going to be flashing the threats, and it's going to be a rough road as a crypto trader. So emotionally, you have to be ready to survive these dips and these pumps because they are going to come they are going to come very, very frequent, and it's going to be nothing where it's going to be smooth sailing, right? If we're going to have a dip, it's going to be a sharp dip. If we're going to have a pump, it's going to be one where it's going to be 15% similar to what we're seeing today, okay? So appreciate you guys all being part of the channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also give me a follow on X if you haven't done so already. XRP now up 11.1%, so trading up as 2.77. Actually, I just bought into XRP meme coin today. Bought some more on these dips. A lot of the XRP meme coins, I made a post about this. If you want to look into a couple, just for food for thought, if you do trade on the ledger, Liwa is one that I am invested in. Also Army, 2 of my plays within the ledger. Right now, they're basically nothing. They're pennies, but they are starting to pump, and that's something to keep your eye on because if XRP does eventually spread this technology and we get to where we're going to, we saw this happen with Sui in that ecosystem. It's only natural for every blockchain to essentially to have their own meme coins do well. And that's going to be great as it goes back to the mothership and eventually adds more volume transactionally and helps XRP in the long run. So check out for those. Make sure you do your research and due diligence. I'll never tell you to buy or sell a crypto, but I am starting to target XRP meme coins, full disclosure. Okay. But back into this, let's look into this. There has been an expert day trader buying $1 million in XRP on the dip. Dave Portnoy, all right? So the Barstool guru, right? One of my favorite businessmen in the space. I'm very sports orientated myself personally. So I do have a background in sports. So before I even started talking crypto, I probably talked more about Dave Portnoy and Barstool Sports within my circle of friends. But that was from the early on. And whether you like him, hate him, there's a lot of critics of him. Hate's a strong word. I don't like to use that. But a lot of critics with him, some allegations, whatnot. We're not going to talk about somebody's personal reputation. But in terms of a day trader, stock trader, gambler, he's a very lucky man. Okay, I'll put it that way. He's very sharp in that regard. He makes a lot of good bets, a lot of bad bets. But right now making an announcement in his recent live stream, commenting that there's bearish momentum swept the market by Monday. He's emphasized when there's blood on the streets, it's the best time to buy crypto assets. All right. And I agree with Dave in that one, right? Buy when no one else is buying, and you're usually going to be on the right side. Kind of like within sports gambling, all right? If you're betting on the side that the public's on, you're usually going to end up on the wrong side. So when the flashy buy signals are showing, it's usually the wrong time to be buying, all right? Or betting for that context. Now, Binance, the price of XRP dropped 35%. We dipped as low as $1.77. That number varies from exchange to exchange, but that's kind of where we saw Bitcoin crash in 94,000. And Dave is looking to capitalize on the dip for potential gains, okay? This is something where Portnoy wondered why the crypto reacted so strongly to the tariff impositions on Canada and Mexico, questioning the correlation, describing the momentum and the downturn in a short-term move. that brings a lot of opportunities to market participants, okay? And that's kind of where I will agree with him. It's very easy to capitalize on a red market than a green market. It gives you a lot more wiggle room if you believe it's going to go up. So what he did was he led by example. He bought another $1 million in XRP during a live stream, and then XRP went into recovery mode, traded upwards to $2.40, which is still a discount compared to yearly and all-time highs. And indeed, this is something where this XRP bet has already paid off significantly. So that's kind of where you look at it. Dave's made some gains within this. Now he has a belief that he will see XRP rise even more, adding to his stock. It does not take away from anything of what XRP has already done. We look for David Sachs' comments. Maybe XRP has been featured, not been already named in the U.S. Strategic Reserve. Maybe there's a reason for that. So for good, bad, or the ugly, if you believe in XRP, $1 million big bet by a trader such as Dave Portnoy. I know it's not an institution. It's not a whale trader. It's not something that we're used to seeing. But for this magnitude, I will tell you guys, I know he's a billionaire, and I shouldn't say he's a billionaire technically. He has a $1 billion company. So let's just correct that. But what this means is for us as traders is he's more so closely aligned to what my interests and your interests are as traders, okay? I know there may be a couple more zeros in the midst, but it's something where if he's betting on it, it's going to not only gain the attention of a lot of his followers to buy it, but it's something where he believes in it, and there has to be a reason why he believes in it. Not only is he a good trader, but he also is very closely tied to Trump. So we're going to connect the dots on this one, and I do think this is something, as we look into these signals, this is very bullish for XRP, all right? 3.4 million followers on X, talking about that he previously owned 1.3 million XRP. So now he has a $2.3 million commitment to XRP. So take it for what it's worth. XRP Army, if you guys are watching, very strong momentum. This is more so a good indicator for me in terms of a buy than if we were to have news that some whale trader out there bought 12 million, okay? This is something proportionally is more so aligned with a retail buy that gives me kind of an edge, if you will. All right. I think that XRP is due for a rebound. I think that Trump's going to be flashing his guns. He's going to be making bold comments that's going to negatively drive the market. It's going to spook the market. We saw the fear index dip sharply. That's just going to be what it's going to be like. It's crypto. It's volatile. So my best advice to you guys, and it's not financial advice, is just buckle up, enjoy the ride. If you believe in XRP before the Canada and Mexico Trump tariffs, then nothing's really changed from then to here, except you were able to buy XRP like Dave at a very sharp discount. So that's my update for the day. Appreciate you guys. Rock with me. If you haven't done so already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. We're going to be talking XRP every single day. Have a great rest of your week. Leave your comments if you are buying XRP on these discounted prices. I want to know down below. All right. And with that, I'll leave you guys, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.